Hi, I am Tara, a watercolor artist and teacher. On this channel, I share watercolor lessons, techniques, and helpful tips for everyone. If watercolor is something you love or want to learn, please subscribe to support the channel. Now let's jump into today's video. Hi, I am Tara, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to paint this watercolor landscape. First of all, I mark the horizon line. I dedicated a larger area to the sky. I place a piece of cardboard here so the bottom doesn't get wet. I spray water on the top area and then sprayed it a bit with a brush. I use indigo and cobalt blue. I start with cobalt blue and apply the paint. I want to paint a cloudy sky. I slightly soften the bottom of the clouds with water. Then paint underneath with indigo or gray. And also I leaving a very small gap. And soften it again with water. Under this one, I also add indigo and soften. I can only work on it while the sky is still wet. I darken this corner and try to keep the middle area lighter. I add smaller clouds along the lower parts and soften some area with water. Now I mix a thick green by combining green and red. And while the sky is still wet, and with the width of the brush, I paint the tree using dapping motions. Remember, once the paper dries, these greens will soften and won't stay this intense. And also keep in mind that the height and width of the trees shouldn't all be the same. They need variation. I painted trees on this side the same way